Alright guys, so we are at the Island Village Shopping Center in OCHO RIOS today. Lots of shops here for entertainment. We have Trojan Studios, Cove Theatre. We have Sisters Liquor, Tobacco Shop, Rotunda, Dr. Robinson Herb House, Jamaica ESL Center. Restaurant, we have Gloria Seafood, Starbucks, Margaritaville, Scoops, Island Coffee, OJ Fruits, Boardwalk Bistro, Roly Poly, Jewelry, Bejukes, Jewels and Time, Gold Mine, Jewel Box, Casa de Oreo, Souvenir, we have Seaside Souvenir, Cool Beats of Little Shop of Wonders, Smiles Gift Shop, Little Smiles Head to Toe, Caruches, Herba Cadibra, Island Trading, Reggae Yard, Tough Gang Jamaica, Knutsford Express. Alright guys, I know you saw in the title. So today we are at the Island Village Shopping Center in OCHO RIOS. I've done a video on this complex before, so this would be like an update. So this is, some beach fun happening over here. We have Starbucks, we have other facilities as well. So first of all guys, if you're new to the channel, remember to subscribe. Subscribing is free. Remember to like, comment, and share as well. And I'll give you guys a tour of the facility. Alright, so very nice place for family to chill, friends, tourists. So this side is the Margaritaville restaurant and beach area. And again you have Bijou Jewelers. For Margaritaville they have pool, beach, restaurant, slides, lots of fun for the family. So we have liquor store, souvenir, restaurants. Again, more jewelers. This is a park area. Alright, so again we're in OCHO RIOS, St. Anne's. So very nice location. Shopping, chillaxing, food, sea, sand, sun, you name it. And the cinema is up this side. And then that's one of the entrance slash exit. Let me show you guys. Alright, so this road leads into the art of OCHO RIOS. So again guys, leave your comments. Not sure how many of you guys watching have ever been here. If you have been here before, let me know. Let me know what you enjoyed most about here. Rasta Taco. And if you have never been here before, you can also put this on your bucket list. Whether you're in Jamaica or overseas, because I'm sure if you're visiting from overseas, you want a few places you'll be able to visit. So let me know if you have ever visited and if you plan to visit soon. And we have Tough Gang Studios over that side. Alright guys, and just correction, not Tough Gang Studio, but Tough Gang Trading. So like souvenirs, that sort of stuff. Alright guys, and this is Seaside Souvenir. Let's take a quick walk in, show you guys some of the items. So lots of souvenirs. So a lot of options to choose from when it comes to souvenirs. So you have clothes, different ornaments. So you're in Jamaica for a visit, you can visit this store to have a souvenir to bring back. Alright, so again guys, Seaside Souvenir. So that's where you want to get your souvenir. Alright, so again guys, Island Village Shopping Center. If you haven't yet checked it out, definitely add it to your list. And if you've been here before, just let me know um, what you bought and where's your favorite chill area. Remember to like guys, remember to comment, remember to share, and let me know what you think about this shopping center. It's geared towards tourists, but it caters to us as Jamaicans as well. We have Gloria Seafood. They have a branch downtown Kingston, two branches in Port Royal as well. Very nice rainforest feel around this side. And there are some huge goldfish in this area. See if we can pick up that one. Yeah, so that's a huge one, guys. It's about, I would say that's about 12 inches, 15 inches. So nice chill area, guys. So if you haven't yet visited Island Village Shopping Center, definitely do so. So nice shops, good place to shop. And again, you have Margaritaville, where you can go to the beach, you can go in the slides, you can go in the pool. So it's a one-stop shop, guys, just right outside of OCHO RIOS. And around this side gives you a nice rainforest, quiet feel. So again, guys, like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, thanks for clicking, and I'll see you on another video.